Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a private session in GTA 5 Online Enhanced and invite your friends step by step. This is perfect if you want to avoid griefers, explore the map peacefully, or just mess around with your crew without random players. Let's get into it. Before you go online, you need to start the game in story mode first. Once you're loaded into story mode, press ESC on PC or options on console to bring up the pause menu. In the pause menu, go to Online, play GTA. Online here, you'll see several options. Invite only session. This is what we want, crew session. For Rockstar crew members, only friends. Session open to all your online friends. Solo session. Just you, but with limited features. Click Invite Only Session to start a private world. You'll load into GTA Online with nobody else in your lobby, and now you can invite your friends. Once you're in the private session, open the pause menu again. Go to Friends. Find the friend you want to invite. Click on their name and select Invite to Game. Your friend will get an invite and can join your private session right away. You can also invite from the social club on PC by pressing Home and using the overlay. You still have full access to most features: free mode, missions, custom cars, shops, and more. You can't do public-only activities like CEO work or MC business sales. Rockstar restricts those to public lobbies. Want to do heists in private? Just invite friends to your apartment or facility to launch them directly. Optional trick: on PC, you can also force a solo public lobby by limiting your network temporarily, but that's a more advanced trick and not needed for basic private sessions. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to play GTA 5 online in a private session with friends quickly and safely. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more GTA Online tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and have fun out there in Los Santos.